Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install the Apple keyboard on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. In order to do that, first we need to open the Play Store, where we need to download an app that will give us the Apple keyboard, and the name of the app is Green Apple Keyboard. There we go. And so let's install this app. Let's give it a second to download it. It doesn't wait too much, so you should be able to download the app within a few seconds. And then once it is done, we can just open it. Now over here we have several things to do. We need to set it up. So let's go to enable in settings. And then over here we need to enable the Apple keyboard. Let's confirm. There we go. Now let's go back. Over here we need to switch inputs. So let's switch to Green Apple keyboard. And then it is finished. So we can tap finished. And over here we can also find some settings. So we can customize and adjust these options. We can even choose the keyboard theme. So let's actually test it out. Let's go to some notes. Let's go over here. And there we go. Now we have the Apple keyboard. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.